Bonjour mes amis. Today's video is going to be a transformation. I'm going to show you how I went from this to this. Now, when I was doing my research on e-girls, I came across a lot of images of very cutesy looking girls. Some like to wear very dark colors. Others liked to wear very babyish colors. So I feel like that's the look I want to do. See? So this will be a nice change. And while I was doing my research, I kept thinking to myself, is there black e-girls? Oh, I was shocked. When I was doing my intensive research, Google, I came across a whole magical world of black e-girls. Oh my goodness, that is fierce. Their swag was on point. I knew I had to try it. Alright, so the next thing I noticed about these e-girls is they wear a lot of blush, and it's usually across their nose area. So I'm going to use a mixture of red and pink to make that perfect tone. I'm gonna go in with red first. And I want to put a lot because they wear a lot. Ew, I actually feel kind of cute. The second thing I noticed about the e-girls is they also somehow have all been blessed with freckles galore. But I did a little bit of research on how to make some fake freckles, which I think these e-girls, it isn't natural. I don't believe their freckles are natural. The key is it's a lot of freckles in the nose area. Comment if you're living for the freckles. I'm gonna add just from my beauty blogger's favorite, Classy, just because they're little, but they're still gonna give me some lash effect. Okay, lashes are on, and I am so obsessed with this look right now. This might be my everyday wear. I noticed a lot of my e-sisters have very neutral lips or a light pink lip. I'm gonna take some of my eyeshadow. I'm just gonna taper it on the center of my lips. And just a little bit. For my e-girl transformation, I ordered this Amazon e-girl wig, and I cannot wait to put it on. Thank you for watching my e-girl transformation. If you liked this video, please give it a like. Subscribe if you want to see more transformations, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye!